This is the Hello World Podcast. Tom, you mentioned great people. I know that a lot of entrepreneurs who are starting, who have hired a few of their first few teammates, will ask, what do you mean by great people? What is Tom Flynn's criteria in selecting great people?
Yeah. That's a tough one. the the thing is, I would hate to, most of the time when you're having a conversation with somebody and they're keeping up, you realize they have the skill set.
Mm-hmm.
You realize they have the skill set and the IQ and the knowledge. What I think is really important, and Louis, I want to get your take on this too.
Yes.
The answer just finally flashed into my head. I was stalling, but the answer flashed into my head. The truth is, you need folks that have that high EQ and that high empathy. You need folks that are going to take the time to understand where you're coming from and sort of be patient with you. Most of the time, you're dealing with smart people. It's not that they're easy to find, but most of the people that you approach are going to be smart. You have to trust your gut on who's going to be empathetic with you, who's going to listen, who's going to be patient with you. And also think about this, when lightning strikes and you get that first client or first two clients, you want a partner that the client is going to like the experience too. You're going to want somebody that you can trust with the client, because that's your lifeblood at that point. So you really want to emphasize those soft skills for some of that partnership too. I'm also thinking through some of the mistakes I've made where it was reaching as high as I could to get the person that had the best resume. And that didn't mean anything because they were cold, they didn't answer, they didn't take me seriously. But when I found the person that cared about my development and me, I realized that was a better partner for me.
Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.